In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to secure the Messenger application using facial recognition or a passcode. By implementing this security measure, only authorized individuals will be able to access the application, which is particularly useful if your phone is frequently used by others or when you are sharing your device but do not want them to access your Messenger. To initiate the process, open the Messenger application and tap on the three horizontal lines icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Subsequently, tap on the gear icon to access the Settings menu. Within the Settings menu, select the Privacy and Safety option. Under the Security heading, tap on App Lock. If Face ID is configured on your device, you will have the option to utilize it to access Messenger. Alternatively, you can use your device's passcode. To activate Face ID, simply toggle the switch to the right of Require Face ID. You can also customize the timing options for the App Lock feature. In my opinion, the After I Leave Messenger option is the most suitable as it ensures that Messenger locks immediately upon closing the application. By implementing these security measures, you can ensure that your Messenger remains private and secure, preventing unauthorized individuals from accessing your messages and personal information.